outside. My name is Kelvin. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I've got a kid and one beautiful wife, Maisha Maita. So I'm a student teacher at Belvedere Technical Teachers College, and that's where the journey began. At Belvedere Teachers College, that's when I learned how to play mbira. From there, I went to Jairus Giri Secondary School in Southampton, and that's where I started to impact knowledge of the mbira to the people living with disability. As you can see, this is the band that I created. In fact, this is an ensemble that I made. I almost taught every student at Belvedere at Jairus Giri Secondary School how to play mbira, how to play wosho, how to play ngoma, and also how to sing and perform all together. So these are the people that I work with. I love these people. I love working with people with disability. And I know you might be wondering why the topic disability is not inability. The topic simply means that disability is not inability. For them being disabled doesn't mean they cannot do anything. You know, most people, they think that people who are disabled they do not do even a thing. But to tell you they have got talent, they have got potential of these people, it only needs a person who come and tap the potential. This is the band, Jairus Giri Secondary School, Mbira Ensemble. We have performed at some many events. We have performed at restaurants. We have performed at Harare Agricultural Show. Again, this looks like they are running this. Being a Jairus Giri led me to work. You see, here I was repairing the wheelchairs, because I've been working with people who uses wheelchairs to walk. So I learned how to make the wheelchairs. As Gerald was good enough to cover me. That is 8 April, I was 4 months at Jairus Giri, and Gerald came and they cover a story where they said students bring back to the Jairus Giri band. Again, I work with street kids. These are street kids. Every Saturday I'll be in Harare Gardens there, where I be teaching these street kids how to play mbira, wosho, and marimba as well. And also there are street vendors. They also come for the sessions. And those people who are willing to just come, I welcome them and I teach them how to play the mbira. And I do this out of passion. I do this out of love. And I'm not forced by anyone, but I just take it upon myself to do this. So my wife, sometimes she makes pop-ons so that we can just come and enjoy ourselves. So the little that we get, we share with the street kids. As you have seen, we can also, my wife also, sometimes she's a teacher. She's an ECD teacher, so she supports me so much. So sometimes she buys Zepnex for the guys, so we enjoy the Zepnex. Sometimes she cooks salsa for the guys. We come and enjoy the product. Yes, so these are some of the small guys that I work with. I work with almost all the ages, from as little as 5 years up to infinity. I work with those who want to join me. I teach them, like they say, catch them young. I always catch them young. And also ZBC came one of these fine days when we were having our practice lessons, and they came and they featured me on ZBC News. That was me on ZBC News speaking about the project that I do with the street kids there. Also, I'm working with the inmates at Harare Central Prison, where I go there and I teach them how to play mbira. We have already formed Harare Central Prison Mbira Ensemble, where I teach the inmates inside there, and I tell you they are enjoying it. This is just a pick, one pick that I was only allowed to take. They don't allow people to take pics. But this one, I talked to the guard there, and I said, please, I need evidence of what I'm doing. So he took this one picture, and I guess also there is Urban Craft magazine. They covered me, my story with the street kids, and 263 Chat. They've done quite a lot in covering what I do with the Mbira. Also, I'm not confined to teaching Mbira okay, as I was teaching at Jados, there's quite a lot of talent. You see people, this guy, his name is Tapiwa, he writes using his head. There are people who write using their legs. There are people who write using their mouth. There are people who even write using typing on the computer. As I said, I'm not only confined to people with vulnerable people. I can also teach some lessons. This is Pineapple 15 New York. I was doing some lessons with the kids. So Mbira is in me, and I love teaching Mbira. I love the African culture that we have, and I also teach marimba. I also teach ngoma and wosho. I've got a page that I have on Facebook, the Vulnerable.Its Trust. You can go there and like and see some of the works that I do, and the founding name of that page. And I guess my time is up. I'm Teachers College. So to find me, your question is